Now this can be very busy, and that is why having a subscription will let you have your own private window. So as you can see right here, you have this Mid-Journey bot. You can DM the prompts directly right here to have less noise, but we're gonna get to that later. For now, let's go to our newbies channel and type in imagine. That is the prompt right here. Click on the prompt and then describe what you want the AI to generate. So let's say I want to see what the AI thinks heaven and hell looks like. So I want heaven and hell. You can give as much detail as you want. So if you want to add more information to it, just add a comma. So comma, I want it to be very detailed. There you go. Now it is processing. Now as you can see, there are a lot of other people doing that, so simultaneously a lot of things are happening. So scroll up to your message, and how do you know it's your message? It will be highlighted in a slight tint of orange to find it out quickly. So it's generating the image. Now it's 100%. Now at the second one, and you want to see more variations of that, more versions of that. So you click on V2. It will generate 4 more versions of just this second one. There you go. Our image is done. We might have to scroll down